Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulaiman Isfar, NIM 2017-023-0016. Here I will discuss the thesis proposal entitled Effect of authorized bearing DMAC to efficiency of induction motor using the fast Fourier transform method. In this discussion, on the PowerPoint is the first introduction, 2. Study of literature, 3. Formula of the problem, 4. Purpose, 5. Scope of problem, the last one is research method. The theme is this research is one of the research topic developed in electric drive research team with the supervisor Mrs. Iradila Tudia, STMT, and Mr. Belian Dewantara, STMT. This is background of this first research. An induction motor is an electromechanical device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. An induction motor is an important component in industrial application. They must be properly maintained. In its use, an electrical motor often experiences DMAC either due to electrical or mechanical factor, one of which is bearing DMAC. According to a survey by International Electrical and Electronic Engineer, almost 44% of induction motor DMAC occurs in bearing. David Liggett. According to research Rimon Z. Haddad 2050, DMAC that occurs in bearing causes vibration, noise, an increase in working temperature, and the emergence of spark. This causes a decrease in motor efficiency. The decrease in efficiency in the motor can be used as illustration of how much energy is lost. Konstantin Alexandru 2050. This research will discuss the analysis method toward the starter current in steady-state condition that occur in the authorized bearing of an induction motor equipped with the fast Fourier transform algorithm, as well as monitor and analysis the decrease in efficiency of the induction motor due to defect in the authorized. In the study, there are several literature that are used as the basis for the first literature. 2. In Konstantin and Alexandru 2050, research on efficiency in detection of the three important faults in induction motor through external magnetic field. This research discusses the efficiency of the DMAC motor through two harmonic amplitude ratio, which are the main reference in study. In Fajar Septianto research in 2050 on analysis of efficiency decrease of induction motor due disable catch ball bearing. The study monitored and analyzes the reduction in efficiency of induction motor due to the defect in ball bearing catch, where the reduction in efficiency of the induction motor can be seen from bearing catch, where the reduction in efficiency of the induction motor can be seen from the condition non-thermal, normal thermal bearing. However, this research focused on the efficiency of input power and output power. In Iradila Tudia research in 2090 regarding healthy monitoring and fault detection authorized bearing in induction motor using starter current in this study. The study discusses the method of starter current analysis in steady-state conditional that occur in induction motor equipped with the fast Fourier transform algorithm, which is the ability to induction motor to detect bearing DMAC, but in study it does not discuss efficiency. In order to focus on the material discussed, the research limit the problem as follows. 1. how to detect damage to the outermost bearing of an induction motor using the FFT diagnostic method. 2. How to analyze damage to outermost bearing using the FFT method. 3. How is the efficiency effect if there is damage to the motor bearing. The next slide which explains the research objective and a problem limitations. The objectives of this study are: 1. To detect damage to the outermost bearing using FFT method. 2. The analysis can be considered the alarm and used for diagnosis purpose. 3. There is an analysis of efficiency of the motor when a breakdown occurs. At the first problem limit: 1. Damage to outermost bearing. 2. The analysis method used is the fast Fourier transform. 3. Efficiency. In this research method, the first, taking normal motor measurement data as reference. 2. Collecting data on motor with the outermost bearing damage by giving 3 cases of damage to outermost. 3. Data processing through simulation software LabVIEW and MATLAB. 4. Processing of stator current data use fast Fourier transform, where FFT is a force calculation method of discrete Fourier transform, or in other words, FFT is a development of DFT. DFT is calculation method that converts signal from time domain to frequency domain. In this research block diagram, 3-phase AC source is used to operate in induction motor. The induction motor is give several experiments. First, the motor in a normal state, and the second in the motor a damaged bearing condition. Then give 2 loads in the form of electrical and mechanical load. In this research it focused on damage detection with MCSA, or motor current signature analysis method, where this method requires a current signal to be analyzed. The current signal is obtained from an EDAKI instrument mounted on the motor stator. An EDAKI is used as a medium that converts the stator current signal into digital set of data and perform data acquisition for analysis purpose. Then it will be sent to computer to display and convert the stator current signal data that has been acquired using LabVIEW software. The resulting data is converted in the form of Microsoft Excel so that the motor damage can be analyzed using FFT algorithm with MATLAB software. Data process on damage to outermost bearing, namely: first, find the slip value and motor using formula S equal NS negative NR, division sign NS. 2. The frequency of damage of the part of the outermost bearing can be seen in the following equation: FO equal 0.4 multiplication N multiplication FR. Bearing damage reconstruction in the study 3 detect were made in the outermost. Damage 1 hole 2 milli in size. Damage 2 holes of 2 milli size. 3 damage 3 hole 2 milli in size. The purpose to doing some experiment is to validate the existing conclusion. The load variation is divided into 2 parts, namely the mechanical loading in the form of a generator and the electric loading in the form of a lamp. The purpose of the variation of loading is to get a different output. The design of starter current signal data process and measurement system is done through LabVIEW software. Then that data is converted into Microsoft Excel. Motor DMAC can be analyzed using the FFT algorithm in the MATLAB software. In efficiency data processing, the next stage is to analyze the relationship between the effect of authorized DMAC on efficiency. We use the following formula: efficiency for detection equal FA division sign FH. The thing to be achieved in the research is to know the reduction of the efficiency of the induction motor to the defect in authorized bearing. It is hoped that is studied the DMAC to the induction motor beacon analysis so that performance of induction motor can work properly. This is reference. That is presentation I convey. If there are errors and like to apologize profusely. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.